Hey world, it's La-Donna and Mark off camera here from Radique Audio. We're going to do a quick unboxing video that we've been talking about doing for a little while now. On the podium here that you might recognize if you see our ads regularly is a Marantz, a baby Marantz 2010. This is a vintage model, the smallest model in the line at the time from the 70s. It is a really nice amp. We had it packaged up to ship, and unfortunately that sale fell through. So we are unboxing it, and we thought we might as well show you how thoroughly packaged this little Marantz was in the first place. So the box that La-Donna is opening is a double wall 275-pound test box that we source from Uline, one of the world's largest box vendors. I don't know if you can see the front lip of the box, if you fold it so the angle so we can see the thickness of the wall.
I don't know what you can see. Is that good?
The front double wall part. Okay.
Is that good?
Yes. So as you can see, it's much thicker cardboard than a regular box, and that's why it's so strong. So we use these especially for all of our heavy and high value components that we ship. Now La-Donna is going to remove the heavily packaged Marantz from the box.
I'm not happy about it.
So what she's doing now is she's pulling out some fill that's in the edges of the box, because of course we always pack our boxes very, very tight. And now she's lifting the bubble wrapped Marantz out of the box. Very elegant. Good job.
Thank you.
And that's what a baby Marantz looks like when it's been packaged.
Oh, look, our business card.
Aw. We always include a business card in each shipment.
And lately I've been writing like top
that's cool,
and bottom, so
like
that when somebody opens it, they know kind of what sometimes I do front and back as well, but I did not in this case.
So the bubble wrap itself is an industrial grade heavy duty bubble wrap that could be used for much heavier things, even engine components, for example, for automotive or tractor parts, that sort of thing. So it's really nice and strong, and we are generous with it. We use a lot of bubble wrap, so it takes a little while to unwrap it, but it's worth it because you get your product safe.
Never actually had to do this before, obviously. I would like to do it in a way that I can try to salvage some of the bubble wrap.
Sure. So if you're unpackaging one of our shipments at home, of course, you don't need to be quite so careful to preserve the bubble wrap.
Well, this is good stuff. You might want to keep it.
This is true.
All right, so I normally tape the ends, so that's a good place to start. Idea how you guys deal with this. I'm sorry. There's a lot of tape.
We also use very strong commercial or industrial strength packing tape. So the tape that we've used to at various stages of wrapping with bubble wrap is there. And there we go. It is revealed.
Ta-da!
In all its beauty.
It's so tiny and cute.
It is.
I love this little Marantz.
Wonderful. Good job, La-Donna.
Yay!
Thanks everybody. Hope you enjoyed that. And we will be back with more videos before long.
Bye.
Bye world.